Alrighty, traders, good morning and welcome to the trading show. This is the FxBigDog here, and we're going to go ahead and look at trade opportunities that we're going to grab only 20 pips out of the market. That is right. We've been doing this for a whole year, making 123% so far this year and over 16,500 pips in the strategy. It is fantastic. It's working great. Traders are making money, and that's what it's all about, right? Where traders are born, or these successful traders are born, and that's here at the Traders Network Club. Let's go ahead and get started again, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at the new opportunities this morning as we dig into the charts, dig into the trade opportunities. I'll see you right after this. Well, traders, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, and welcome to the trading show again. And this is the Pip Grabber Trading Show. And once again, we look for 20 pips out of the market. We look for setups based on support and resistance, and we do some manual trades using a trading tool called the Pip Grabber Trading Tool. Yeah, it's unique, right? So we're going to go ahead and use that. Now, if you want to find out a little bit more about the tools I use and the trade copier that has generated over 16,500 pips already this year, go ahead and check out the description below, and you'll find all the details that you need in order to be able to get subscribed and be able to get connected with the trade copier, and of course get access to our trading tool. Excuse me. Now, you can just go to our website as well, TradersNetworkClub.com. Check out the TradersNetworkClub.com with all the products that we do have and access that we have to our trade copiers as well. Now, with that being said, traders, we're going to go ahead and take a look and see what's going on in the market this morning. And before we do that, I want to go ahead and start off by saying, smash the like button. Yes, I'm going to tell you now, I'm going to tell you just now, I'm going to tell you later, I'm going to tell you all the time until you smash that like button. We want to get as much smash or like smashes as possible so we can go ahead and beat the algorithm and get this video out to as many traders as we can. So thanks for doing that. I appreciate that. So let's go ahead and get started. And for those that have not subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and do so. Go subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is the FxBigDog and the Traders Network Club. We are going to separate the shows that we are doing on separate YouTube channels. So make sure you subscribe to both YouTube channels, FxBigDog as well as the Traders Network Club. All right, now with that being said, we are now not broadcasting anymore on any of the other platforms, which means we're not on Twitter, we're not on Facebook, we're not on Instagram, we're not on Twitch, and we're not on LinkedIn. We're only posting at the moment right now on the YouTube channel. We said it's going to happen. It's happening. So we're going to go ahead and get started today. Now, with that being said, let's jump into the trades that we placed yesterday. We placed trades yesterday, and it was on the US dollar CAD. It was on the CAD Swiss, the Aussie CAD, the New Zealand CAD, and the New Zealand US dollar. Now, we did profit yesterday on the Euro US dollar. We profit as well on the Aussie CAD. We also profit on the New Zealand CAD. Now we got two positions open right now. One on the US dollar CAD that is holding at the moment right now 3 trades, and then we've got the Canadian Swiss, and the Canadian Swiss right now is also holding one trade. So we've got one trade on the CAD Swiss, and then of course 3 trades on US dollar CAD. So we're not going to touch those two currency pairs this morning. We'll wait and see how that plays out for the rest of the day. But we are going to go ahead and address the Aussie CAD, the New Zealand CAD, and the Euro US dollar. So let's go ahead and jump into the chart and take a look and see what's going on right here. Okay, there we go. And now, Jack says signed up for the Traders Network Club, waiting for the activation. Jack, yes, the team will get back to you and get that sorted out. We will have the team on that, so yeah, don't worry about that. You will get set up this morning. Okay. Now, anyone that signs up, we have anyone that signs up for the trade copier. Just a little note there that we went ahead and we've gone now and removed the self activation. So the team goes ahead and activates, making sure that everyone goes the right process and make sure that everyone gets activated correctly. So we've had some great success so far with the traders that have signed up. So congratulations for those that have signed up and have enjoyed the profits that we've generated last month, which we generated over 15% last month alone on the trade Copier. So congratulations for those. And we'll jump into the others. We'll get everyone else connected. Now, trade Copier. Let's go ahead and take a look at, we said we're going to take a look at the Euro US dollar. So Euro US dollar has gone ahead and did exactly what we expected. Look at this. We've got a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Market took out the wave 4 low right here with the spike. But we also had the market dipping down right here. And now we've gone ahead and broken back up north. So we are bullish at the moment right now on the Euro US dollar. And so what I want to do is I want to go down to the 15-minute time frame. And I'm going to pay attention to the swings going up right here. And you can see right here we do have a swing that is now active from that low to this high. Then we have another swing going up from here to here. And so if I look over here, we have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4. And look how beautiful, and I've spoken about this many times in the past, and I'm going to go ahead and talk about it again, just so that you can see. Notice how the 1.618 becomes support for the market right here, and how we get back on a pullback. Anytime the market blows through the 1.618 right here, it comes back, retests at a support, and then starts going back up to the 1.27 right here. So this is where we're going to see resistance on this particular pair. So I certainly do not want to be buying on Euro US dollar at this point in time, but there may be a sell opportunity coming up pretty soon. And so what I want to do here is I want to look and see what is the trade Copier doing at the moment right now, just as a confirmation of directional bias. And it looks like we have a buy currently holding on the trade Copier. So if that's the case, if we're going to buy it on the trade Copier right now, I don't really want to go ahead and sell as of right now. Now, if the market was up at this level right here, I may go ahead and do that. Let's take a look and see. Just as a quick look, I want to go ahead and see how much of a distance we have still left here. Yeah, we've got about 7 pips or so. And I believe we're targeting 1302. Nope. Yeah, let's say 1313. Is that right? 1312, my bad. So 1312 is the target on the trade Copier, 1312. Okay, so I'm going to stand aside on the Euro US dollar just because we're in the middle of the road and we're not at support, we're not at resistance. We are coming towards resistance right here, but we're not there yet. So let me stand aside on the Euro US dollar. Let's take a look at the next trade opportunity. And let's go to, take a look and see which one we... So we want to take a look at New Zealand CAD. And we want to take a look at Aussie CAD. And that's it. New Zealand CAD, Aussie CAD. So let's go ahead and take a look at New Zealand CAD and Aussie CAD. So start with the Aussie CAD first. All right, so Aussie CAD at the moment right now, if we look over here, what are we expecting on Aussie CAD? So let's go to the 4 hour first. Get a quick look at the 4 hour right here. And the 4 hour, we do have a downward swing, pull back. Market goes ahead and pulls back right about here, and then rallies back up north. We drop back down south here, and then it created this running flat. We had a wave 1 down, wave 2 up, and wave 3's down here. That means that we are now looking for the market to go back into a 4th wave correction. So we're still looking for price to go up a little higher up. It looks like it's a little range bound here at the bottom right here, but we're certainly looking for price to go bullish. Now, we did mention that there is this possibility of the market still dropping back down here. We spoke about that previously. So I'm going to go ahead and say that we could be seeing a little bounce and then a rally. Now, I'd like to go ahead and take a look at US oil quickly. So I'm at this point right now thinking Aussie CAD bullish, but I want to take a look at US oil. And I'm looking for US oil to sell off. I'm just looking to see if we've got a confirmation of that yet. And all right, so take a look over here. As I dig into the charts onto the 4-hour right here, I notice that I do have a swing, an inside swing wave. 1, 2, 3 down here. 4 is up here. And notice at the 1.27, we did complete the fifth wave right there. So there's the fifth wave. So price will go ahead and take out the fourth wave, which is this level right here. We have now done that. So I'm expecting US oil to sell off. Now, if US oil sells off, what is the Aussie CAD going to do? Well, if you said bullish, then you're right. Then I'm going to go ahead and expect Aussie CAD to rally. So therefore, I'm going to go ahead and buy Aussie CAD. So we're going to go to Aussie CAD right here. I'm going to go ahead and put a buy in. And I'm now active on a buy. All right. Now, traders, if you want to get those get these signals that I'm placing here inside this trading session, then you may want to go ahead and check out the description below. There is a link to a Telegram channel that every trade that I do place, just to give complete transparency, you'll see that this trade that is placed on my live trading account has been posted in my Telegram channel, and you'll get the details of that trade. You'll see a good signal coming up there saying Aussie CAD, the entry point, buy, and you'll go ahead and see where I close out on that trade as well. Okay? Now, let's go take a look at another one, New Zealand CAD. Here is New Zealand CAD right here. New Zealand CAD 4-hour tells me I've got a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and we've gone ahead and moved down to the 127 here on the larger swing. What swing are we looking for here? Oh, so we're actually trying to chase after, based on this setup right here. Price has just gone in and taken out this low. But if this AEB swing is going to hold, we could go back down to this level, but that's in the long term. The short term swing tells me that we could also chase after that level, or at least that's the midterm swing. And then I've got, let's see here, I've got an inside swing. Let's dig a little bit closer up. Take a look here. This is the one that I'm really interested in, is this one right here. Swing 1. This is an irregular flat. Price goes down, hits the target. We see a pullback giving us a wave 4. And now we've got past the 1.27 right here. So I'm going to expect New Zealand CAD to actually go ahead and rally. So I'll be expecting New Zealand CAD to rally. And actually the target is this one right here. Not to say that we will be trading toward that, trading up until that target, because we're only looking for our 20 pips in the trade. But this is the target right here. And I'm going to go ahead and label it so we know in the future that this is where price is going to chase after. Where's my text? There it is. All right. So this is my fourth wave target. All right, there it is. Okay. I've got a fourth wave target up here. Oops. And I'm looking for that. Price is at 87.55. So I'm looking for price to move up around about 194 pips right here. So I'm looking for about 194 pip rally on this one right here. And so we wait for that to take place. Right, so 104. All right, fantastic. So we'll wait to see if price can go ahead and move back up to that level, and we said about 194 pips before it goes up there. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is, because I'm expecting this 194 pip rally, I'm going to go ahead and place a trade right here, and I'm going to be bullish on the New Zealand CAD. And there it is. I've gone ahead and bought in. I'm bullish now on New Zealand CAD. All right, so I've left the Euro US dollar out at the moment right now. I've got in on other currencies right now. So I want to go ahead and address a question that came up with Jack. I think it's John, and the question was right here is that he thought that the trades that we've placed here in the manual trade is actually going to be added to the trade copier. So the question, the difference here is, just want to make sure that everyone's clear. So there's two types of signals that we are giving out. Firstly, the free signals that is based on what we're doing here in this trading session, in the Pip Grabber Trading Show. All the signals, all the trades that I'm doing manually here in the Pip Grabber Trading Show, these signals are being posted on a Telegram channel that you can get access if you check out the description below. And you can link yourself up to that channel. I may go ahead and change the name of the channel just to stop the confusion. But then there is, of course, our trade copier. This is not the trade copier. These are manual trades that I'm implementing manually. And I'm showing traders how to be able to use the Pip Grabber Trading Tool. Because I'm using the Pip Grabber Trading Tool to manually trade these setups. But the trade copier trades automatically on its own. When you sign up for the trade copier, you get access to the trade copier signals. So you not only get the trade copy that trades for you, you connect your account, it trades automatically for you. You don't have to do anything, but you'll also get the trade signals so you can follow along. You'll get the trade signals so that if you want to go on a different trading account and you want to trade the trade copier signals manually on your own, with the trade copy running on its own as well, you can do that. So we give you access to the signals. We give you access to the actual trade copy so you can link your account up and actually trade, have it automatically trade. But it's two separate signals. So we have the Pip Grabber Trading Show signals, which are manual trades. And then we have the trade copier that has actual trade signals as well that are connected to your trading account. So it's automatically trading for you. Plus you get the trade signals as well. I want to make sure that's clear so that anyone that has any confusion knows exactly what it is. Now, Jack and everyone else that are members of the Traders Network Club, you can, if you have any questions, please make sure that you send it to info@TradersNetworkClub, and we will go TradersNetworkClub.com, and we will go ahead and address your questions through the email support email support. So make sure you go ahead and do that. We're not going to address those type of questions here inside the Pip Grabber Trading Show, because this Pip Grabber Trading Show is all about the live trades that we're doing manually. All right, just want to be clear on that so that so moving forward, we have a good understanding of where we're at. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look right here. So we do have some trades on the US dollar CAD. We have currently 3 positions in that we've traded manually. And so let me go ahead and take a look at US dollar CAD. And I want to just see where we're at with US dollar CAD, because we're buying currently right now. And I know that we're in a big sell-off on the US dollar CAD, but we're looking for that correction move, right? And so if I look over here, then I notice that we do have this right here. We have this big move to the downside. I'm actually going to drop this down to a 1 hour. I think we can see it better on a 1 hour, maybe even a 15-minute. So here are, so this is the swing. Now it looks like the 1 hour might be a better option. So we had a very small swing right here. Start off with a small swing right here. Looks like my tool is not working here on the right hand side anymore. Oh, hold on. Give me a second here. Let me get rid of it and restart it up. So we got a swing from the top right here, and it's moved down south right here. We did get a pullback. There we go. There it is there. There's that swing. We did get a pullback. And now the market's dropped back down south right here. And I'm going to actually go ahead and use this low right here. I'm going to use that low as the this one right here. And so therefore, we're in this fourth wave. We've got the fifth wave a little further down right here by the trend line. So we could end up going down a little further down south right here. And if it does, it's going to drop back down around about 48 pips. And then we're going to go ahead and pull back up again. So it looks like we have to be a little more patient on the US dollar CAD before we start seeing some pullback on this. So we're going to stick with our trade and see how that plays out. Okay, so US dollar CAD could drop down another 40 pips before it rallies again, but that's okay. We have our trade set up, and if it means that we go ahead and enter again on this trade before the market rallies up, then it is what it is, and we'll go ahead and deal with that then. All right, traders, want to go ahead and remind everyone once again, if you enjoy this show with all these trade setups, I mean, come on. Where on the internet can you find, and I know you can't believe everything on the internet, but where on the internet, on YouTube, do you find a person doing actual live trades, sharing these trades online so you can get access to it totally free, and also giving you an opportunity to sign up with a trade copier that you can go ahead and follow these trades that have given you about 120, I think we could even be more now with the closing out of a few trades overnight. Let's take a look over here. Let's take a look and see how much. So we're up 2.5% for the month so far, and we are now at 124%, 124.5% for the year. We have 16,651 pips that have been generated. I mean, who on the internet and who does show these type of results and give you access to this type of thing? Remember, the Traders Club, our motto here, our slogan here is the Traders Club. This is a place where successful traders are born, because that's the whole objective right here, is to get everyone being successful. It's showing live trades, doing manual trades, giving you the trading tools to be able to do it, but also giving you access to the trading tool so you can be successful in your trading. Traders, I want to thank everyone for coming in today. Appreciate you being here. Go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to the channels, and also share this video out to as many traders as you possibly can on social media. Do us a favor and talk about it so we can get more traders connected to this channel so we can go ahead and make them also successful traders. So with that being said, this is FxBigDog wishing you peace, joy, and lots of profits. We'll see you in the next show. Cheerio.